Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get the Firefox browser on your HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. So we need to start with opening App Gallery. Here locate the Firefox and click on Get. It should open the browser for you, and right here click on Download APK, download anyway. When it's ready, click on Open, Allow, and install. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, and now we can customize it. So choose a theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You can also read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Now open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.